Munikas Mabuhay, I'm Irus and welcome back to my channel. So today, you know what? Some of you told me to watch the film of Mama Pao, Die Beautiful. And you know what? I saw the trailer and I said, why not? I want to watch it, so there's a problem that I can't find it online in my country. And I only found it on YouTube. I don't know if it is all the film because it's divided by sections. Yeah, but you know what? It is what it is, and at least better than nothing. So you know what? Let's start to watch this movie because I'm so curious, and I hope that I will not cry. We will see. I don't know, but I'm so curious about it, and yeah. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Where's my tissues? So in case.
I can't believe it was just a year ago that I was blessed to wear this prestigious crown. To USA,
Where?
China,
Yeah.
Philippines. To my family, you will always be my strength and inspiration. I wouldn't have made it this far without each and every one of you. This is your one and only beauty queen, Trisha. Trisha Echevarria.
Echevarria. Trisha Echevarria.
Yan! Ganyan!
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ba't? Tigil mo yan!
It's gonna be so freaking hard to watch it. Already know it. And I also saw that, correct me if I'm wrong, but you received a lot of awards.
Angelina Jolie.
Te, parehas lang silang malaki yung lips.
Tumigil nga kayong ingay.
Talaga yun.
I don't know, it's giving me like
Alam
those
mo ba yung
vibes.
batang yun, no? Una,
Like now, I
namatay
want to
na.
know why.
Tapos ngayon,
Why
ulit.
she's there.
Namatay
How?
na.
I hope she didn't suffer.
Yung food ko.
Bakit?
Ayoko malaman ni mama ko.
Oh my god.
Pinasan ako.
She was a mother?
Binuksan
She was
ko
her
eh.
mother?
Doon na nagbabasa lahat ng mga messages niyo.
Sa sinasahod niya.
That's Mama Pao.
Ang inaalala ko lang talaga, you know. Kung kaya ko
Lord.
lang di sana mo. Tingnan mo nga ako, oh. Pang-anim ko na to.
6? Come on, actress.
Bigay ito ng Diyos, bawal tanggihan.
Oh, wow. Bigay ng Diyos. So yung titi mo, bigay ng Diyos. Ba't di ka magpakalalaki?
Ba't hindi muna ikaw?
Damn.
Huwag kang maingay dyan.
Thank you.
Oh, so cute.
I'm Jane Sean, and I am 6 years old. I believe that I must be the change I want to see in the world. I thank you!
Nung batang gano'n?
Malamang. Nakita mo naman, napakalaki, di ba? Tapos may kasama pang dalawang
She,
alaga. Ay, ako,
she even had
next year, anak,
minions.
ako nang gagawa ng gawa, ha?
Very good, Erica.
Oh
Thank you.
no, poor her
Susunod
already.
naman natin ay si Shirley May.
You will be proud one day. You will be proud.
Ang tanong, ano pa talaga ang mama mo? Bakla yung nanay, gaya niyo. Pangit siya. Aray!
Yes, yes.
Pangit! Katulad ka na nanay
Harder.
mo. Oo nga! Sabi nung kaklase
Nasty
ko,
girls.
trabaho yung pag
Damn, she's.
Eh di wala
Mama.
ka pang pek-pek.
Bastos na ito.
Damn, you're
Wala.
going hard.
Pero ayan, oh. May dede na ako. Ikaw wala pa. Flat-chested ka eh.
Susi din ako dyan.
Ay, hindi po. Sa unang nanay niyo po yun.
My god, the
Nilagay ko lang
Filipino
yun,
humor.
oh.
I love it so much.
Ibang nanay ang nagsilang sa'yo. Pero,
By the way, this is really important, you know? And I love how
Kasi-
they decide to portray
nanagamit ka.
this kind of topic.
Maraming iba dyan. Anak lang ng anak. Hindi naman non.
Yun din po yung sinabi sa akin ni Miss Parco.
Tama. Pag nakita mo anak yung kaklaseng sinabunutan mo, ituro mo sa akin, ha?
Bakit?
Tsatsaniin ko yung mani.
Oh.
Masyado siyang trimitida. Hirap mag-bucon eh.
tinatawag siya. Yung pala, hindi ko na nasabi sa kanya. Buntis na ako.
Uy! Ayan na siya, binatukan.
Damn.
Sorry.
Angelina Jolie. Request niya ba yan?
Ito yan. Bukas iba ulit.
Taray.
7 looks.
Basta Shirley May, huwag kang magpapabuntis ha. Hawakan mo. Dilaan mo, isubo mo.
Oh my God, but that's
Magpapajugjug.
so explicit.
Naging beauty queen ka pa.
Ayoko na mag-viewcon, ma.
She dropped the bomb.
At may matakla, hulaan mo. Tingin nga. Taong Lego.
Bota naman to taong Lego. Hulaan mo bakla yung may nunal. Ito
Taong Lego na may nunal.
Bota ka. Kainis
Sino
naman
nga?
ito.
Sino ba kasi?
Ito na.
O Barbara, bakit? Nahulaan mo ba kung sino ako?
Michael Jackson.
Bakla ka mukha ka mukha. Fashion show.
Ayan.
Fashion show
Yung
like
balak mo,
that.
medyo iganon mo pa.
Ganun ko pa.
Ayan.
With the heels? At school?
Ano ba? Ayun na naman siya.
They can do that?
Baklali ka na. Ayoko na dito ang baho.
Dali lang, manood muna tayo ng basketball. Ayan, panoorin natin si Migs, ang lalaking wawasak sa aking puri.
Iba yung Diaz. Sa bagay, ano?
Di naman kaganda. Art.
Damn, he fine. He's really fine.
Bakla, ayan na. Tek, saan tayo mapupunta?
Please use the fan. Please use the fan to cover up. Please.
Pang ina, balipag.
Damn! Damn! He fine.
Ay, bakit may pagpapahid sa gano'n? Laba mo na yan, madumi na yan.
That wasn't cute. But at least, she had the shirt.
Ngayong gabi, isang misteryo ang aking tutuldukan para sa inyong lahat. Ano nga ba ang nauna? Ang itlog o ang manok?
Pretty. That's fantastic.
Mga kaibigan, ang nauna ay ang itlog.
That's
Thank you.
genius. That's
Patrick! Halika dito. Bastos ka talaga. Walang respeto!
Kunin ko lang po yung
Wala kang kukunin dito. Lahat ng iniwan mo kanina,
How?
hindi na sa'yo.
How?
Umalis ka dito.
How can you treat your
Gusto mo
children like
maganda
this?
ako.
Your child?
Ako si Trisha. My name is Trisha Echevarria from Bahamas! Trisha! Trisha!
Yes!
Trisha!
Makeup sa kasal, sa graduation, ganon.
The
Yung mga
finalist,
popok
I'm
sa
happy that
casino.
her
Kasi
mother
makatira. Hindi
is
mo
really
naman
supportive,
make-up.
you know?
Pang lang yung skill.
Ito po, may 1,000 pa ako dito.
Hindi.
Pang...
Tabi mo yan, tabi mo yan. Bakla. Ano ka ba?
Ayan o, mga ibon. Bibili ako niyan, tapos ilalagay ko sa loob ng gown ko. Tapos pag turn ko na magpakilala, bubuk ako ang kamay ko, lilipad ang mga ibon.
Wow. That's a beautiful idea, but hoping that it will not end like the butterfly moment that we all know. All that, I knew it! I knew it! The costume, by the way, beautiful.
Yung mga dede mo nasasayang. Hindi ka na nga tumatitle, hindi ka pa nagpapa-breastfeeding sa mga boys.
Damn, same. Same. Also me with the back pain. Oh my god. Ate Miley Cyrus, look. They're so unserious. Oh my god.
Ang ganda ng lampara nyo, ah. Ay, madam, di po yan lampara. Ano po yan? Wrecking ball.
Ha?
Mm-mm.
Bakit may gigibain ba kayo? Oh,
Talaga.
asan ang pamilya niya?
Oh my God. You know what? You know what? They need to do like something on Drag Race Philippines to tribute this film. I think it would be really, really nice.
Gabi-gabi, iba-iba.
Opo, kasi bili niya yan sa akin.
Bakit? Alam niya bang mamamatay siya? Cancer ba yan, Ineng?
Hindi po. Ruptured brain aneurysm.
Ruptured
Napagkwentuhan
brain
lang namin.
aneurysm.
Tapos, ayan.
Damn, this dress, this gown. Damn, she looks so beautiful.
Oatmeal. Hey.
Okay, so they had another kid.
Parang medyo may kalaki din yung ilong. Ibaba mo yung tingin mo.
Ah, look down!
May kalaki ka din. Nanginig yung mata.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning.
That looks delicious. I want to try it. And she looks so cunty, yes!
Patrick? Sorry, ano na nga ulit pangalan mo?
Okay, that's better. That's better. Sorry, yes. You should be sorry.
Iiyak ka ba o iyak ka pero pigil?
Grabe. Ang ganda-ganda mo na. Ito. I'm pregnant na.
Congratulations.
Okay, so this was before, like, oh my God,
Nagiging old maid
all
ako.
these supercuts and
Nakatikim ka rin.
back forth, and it got me confused.
Si Papa, okay naman siya.
Papa who?
Yes!
Wala naman akong pinagsisisihan. At yun ang pinakamagandang desisyong nagawa ko sa buhay.
Papa mo pa rin siya.
No.
Kapatid mo pa rin ako.
Sister?
Yung ano,
This
if
shot
you were
is so
given a
beautiful.
chance to live again,
This life today. I alone can do the work in the world that I am supposed to do. I alone can fill the space in this world that is in the shape of me.
Come on, lip sync.
That is why
Scotland, here it goes. Your question. What short-term fiscal policy can you suggest to our government that could reassure and preserve the Philippine economy?
are you sure?
Gimik ka kasi ng gimik eh. Pati naman mukha mo puro uling.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Trisha, ano ka ba, Trisha? Kaya andito si Miko kasi nagpatulong akong pinturahan ng parlor. Di ba, Miko? Bakit?
Pinturahan.
Pintor ba yung asawa ko?
Tura?
Kailan pa naging si Leonardo da Vinci yan? Eh, lampas-lampas nga yung magkulay sa coloring book eh. Ang sabihin mo, simula na nagpapakita kami dyan sa'yo. Wala akong ginawa, kundi landiin yung asawa ko.
Punyeta naman bakla. Ubusin ba talaga ang linya ni Marcel Soriano dito? Sabunutan mo
Did she
na.
say punyeta? Did I
Ayaw
heard that
mo?
right?
Sige. Ako na lang. Malandi.
Malandi. Kaya nilusog nyo, Ninang.
Ay, ginawa kong punching bag yung dede niya na.
Sana, binawin nyo na lang yung ilong ni Miko. Gusto mo lang siya kasi akala mo wala nang ibang magmamahal sa'yo.
She's pretty.
In fairness sa anak mo, sana sa kanya ka nagmana.
Damn.
Bata-bata mo pa. Kung
Too
ano
much for your age,
mo.
yeah.
Kung alam mo sa
But she's very
pagmamahal.
smart.
Wala pa masyado. Pero ang alam ko, yung pagmamahal mo sa akin. Sana ganun din yung makuha mo sa lalaking mamahalin mo.
That's so sweet and that's so beautiful. Oh my God. Gotta secret, can you keep it?
Excuse me po, pwede po bang makakuha ng lahat?
Go. Secret to nga.
It's so good.
Alam ko, manismosa kayo.
Oh my God, not Gaga, please.
Tawagin mo ako pag uwi mo ah.
Ay.
Chicks mo.
Dalaban mo na to. Kakain lang kami. Ano, tara.
Oo nga.
Gabby fine. He's really fine,
Huwag
but
ka na mahiya. Linaban mo
I
naman
know
to
that
eh.
here
Ano?
in this film
Tara.
is gonna be a really bad person.
Tara na.
Oh my god, no. I'm not ready for this. I'm
iniwan
not ready
ako.
for this.
Hindi.
Oh my God, sis, eto na si Trisha.
Ay, Trish!
Hindi na ako virgin. Alam ko na yung pakiramdam nung sinasabi mo. Yung feeling ng may nakapasok sa puwet. Nung una pumayag ako, sabi ko kay Migs, okay, basta siya ang mauna. Inisip ko na lang na parang challenge lang. Kakayanin ko to. Lahat naman ng bagay may kapalit. Pero, nung ika-4 na, inisip ko kung rape na ba to. Hindi ko alam. Nalito na ako. Sabi mo, di ba? Masakit naman talaga. Pero pag tiniis mo, pagiging masarap din. Hindi naman nila ako pinilit. Hindi rin naman ako pumiglas. Pero parang wala akong nagawa.
Bakla. Bakla, dinudugo ka.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pupunta tayo ng hospital, ha? Halika na. Kunin mo na yung bag mo. Halika na.
Get out. This is a family matter. Anong trauma?
Well, siguro siyang mas makapagsabi. Pero there are several probable causes, like penetration. Excuse me lang po.
I don't want any of you to get near Patrick. Ni ayoko kayong makita. May mga kaya kong gawin pag hindi niyo sinunod yun. Naiintindihan niyo ako?
Opo.
Diva, yes! Oh my god. I love their friendship so much, by the way. They're so cute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Richards. I'll be assisting Dr. Villaflor. Everything's been explained to you, right? Trisha?
Opo. I mean, yes po. No. Yes.
I understand and speak a little bit of Tagalog, so don't you worry.
No, I'm not worried at all. I'm just so happy that you are here with me.
Good, good.
Doc,
She's so fucking
pwede bang
flirty.
unahin na natin yung matres para magka-baby tayo.
Hindi tayo talo.
Magsasarado na po kami.
What do you mean we're already closing? Like, they just get the operation and like, not even,
Ma'am, sugat pa po kasi yan, kaya masakit pa. Pero mawawala din
they
naman
can stay
po.
there like one night
Inumin nyo na lang po yung gamot na
just to recover a little bit
inireseta ko
and
nito.
then go home.
Tapos, wag po...
Come on, bombshell,
ready for
yes!
If I will die and be blessed to live again, I want to still be who I am in this life today. I alone can do the work in this world that I am supposed to do. I alone can fill the space in this world that is in the shape of me. I alone have a voice in this world that people will hear and recognize as me. If I'm no longer in this world, there are people who will look for me. That is why, if given a chance to live again, I will choose to be nobody. Nobody but me. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
She's glowing, my God. She's fantastic. Come on, diva.
Nakikiramay ako. Yan ang gown niya?
Opo, madam.
Pardon my French, but you call that a gown? I have an idea.
Damn.
Okay lang.
Wow.
Paano niyong isusuot yan?
Bakit?
Eh, kailangan punitin niyo yan, hindi pwedeng itayo ang patay.
Anong gagawin? Yung gunting.
Yes. Yes. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is such a beautiful moment. And I think that's also really interesting, because also Mama Pao herself is a designer, and also this moment in this film, I think is really, really important. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. She looks so beautiful.
Ang ganda ng baklang yan.
Madam, mabilat po yan.
Kasama na kayo.
May hinahanap ka ba? Iisip ko lang kasi baka hulog ka ng langit.
These corniest phrases.
Trish, bakit inaano ka nito?
Ikaw aanuhin kita eh. Di pa nga ako inaano eh. Doon kang istorbo ka, bilis na. Okay, King. Okay na?
Okay, now she looks so beautiful. And so good.
Wow.
Precious Paula Nicole.
Alam ko.
I'm saying
Kaya
Precious
inaral
Paula
ko kung
Nicole
paano
here.
kopyahin yung mukha niya.
Ma, so kwarto na lang
Okay,
kayo
she's like
matulog.
just tired, I think.
Hindi na darating yun.
Anong oras na ba, anak?
4 a.m. po.
What are like the starting point of the illness? Where is he now? Now, like when, in the funeral, where is he?
Salamat ha. Anong oras kayo
Shirley.
darating?
Bibisita ka. Anak, sino yung ba't nagpapapasok ka ng tao sa bahay?
Hi, Trisha. Asawa ko si Jessie.
Okay. Oh my God. And she knew? Like the wife knew about her? About Trisha?
1 year na siyang remission sa leukemia. Pero bigla na lang bumalik yung sakit niya.
Oh my God. And then she went, her, the wife, to Trisha's funeral. That's so sad. Like, why? It's like so unfair.
Alam ba niya yung tungkol sa atin? Sinabi ko. Pero sinisingil talaga ako ng mga kasalanang nagawa ko. Malaki atraso ko sa'yo. Wala ka ba talaga natatanda? Hindi mo ba talaga ako naaalala? Kabarkada ko si Migs. Kasama kami ng gabi nangyari yan.
Oh my fucking god! No. This fucking plot twist, guys. Who the fuck? Who? Who? I want names. I want the name.
Hindi aksidente yung pagkikita natin sa bar noon.
This is too much. This is too much.
Wait sa akin. Sana tawad mo ko. Hindi ko alam
How
kung
she
ano
can forgive
mas
you?
malala.
How?
Yung pagkahasa niyo sa akin noon. Dahil ayaw kang patigilin ng konsensya mo.
No.
Mahal kita.
And also, you know, like, you don't even know if he's like saying the truth or he's lying because. And also the wife. What she knows about her. She knows everything.
Pag namatay ako, gusto ko araw-araw iba-iba ang ayos ko sa burol ko ha. 1 linggo yon. Bago ako ilibing, gawin mo yon. Promise mo sa akin.
Good luck!
Is Shakira this one here?
Tinawag kita dahil alam kong may karapatan ka bilang kapatid niya na malaman ko anong
That's
nangyari sa
right.
kanya. Pero uulitin ko, hindi mo pwedeng kunin
And
si
that's
Trisha sa amin.
correct.
May plano na ako para sa burol niya.
Mas may karapatan kami. Isa pa, nakausap ko na si Papa.
Hindi ako magpapapasok ng mga bisita dito hanggat hindi naalis yan.
This is my god, I can't even talk for him.
Baka naman pwede. Respetuhin na lang natin.
Oh my god,
Kung ano
finally!
yung desisyon niya.
Finally!
Paano yung papa mo? Di ba magalit yun sa'yo?
Ako nang bahala kay Papa. Basta ibigay niyo yung inihinging burol ng kapatid ko.
Oh, finally! Finally!
Ako dapat na magpasalamat sa inyo.
That's right.
Mabuti pa.
Alam ko lahat kayo, inaabangan ko ano magiging huling itsura niya. Pinag-isipan kong maigi. Bilang best friend niya, sa ganitong paraan ko gustong maalala niyo siyang lahat. Sa loob ng napakaikling buhay niya, marami siyang naging mukha. Ngayong gabi, gusto kong ipakilala sa inyong lahat si Trisha. Si Trisha Echevarria.
I can't believe it was just a year ago that I was blessed to wear this prestigious crown.
Because of this, I was given the opportunity to see the wonderful world and all its beautiful people. To my family, you will always be my strength and inspiration. I wouldn't have made it this far without each and every one of you. To all the lovely people who have touched my life and made me a better person, I thank you. This has truly been the time of my life. I love you all dearly. As I take my final walk and embark on my next journey, I will bring all the memories with me and cherish them forever. For the last time, this is your one and only beauty queen, Trisha. Trisha Echevarria.
Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. And yeah, this thank you so much for suggesting me this film. And I can understand more, how Mama Pao is so well loved in this scene, and how important is this kind of film, and how accurate it still is, And you know what? I think that's it because I can't talk anymore. So, salamat. I hope that's right. Mahal kita. Thank you so much. And we will see us next time. Or better. Whew.